Wiltshire Capital Partners specializes in the acquisition and development of undervalued and unimproved real estate. We work with government agencies, private interest, and nonprofit organizations to locate and acquire the most suitable real estate. With our experience in real estate development and the help of our partners, we turn failed projects into viable and successful investments. What this means to our investors are safe, secure, and profitable projects. We have put our focus on the rehabilitation of affordable housing, commercial space construction, and raw land. Our investment partners come to us from all walks of life. Domestically, investors must meet certain criteria before they may invest, and our foreign partners often come to us through one of the many U.S. immigration programs. We are very sensitive to the requirements of our foreign investors. We work with several immigration attorneys to ensure that the requirements are followed for successful completion of citizenship. We strive to better our communities, provide clean, affordable housing, top-notch commercial space, and job creation through our investment projects. We would be excited to have you join us at Wiltshire and become one of our partners.